morning, my good people. Today we are unboxing the Mika 60 by 60. It's a model DSM. So here we have. It comes with a free tray, an extra tray. We have the common one here. These are the stands. Na unapata mtu anasema kama iko chini. This is an unbreakable glass top. So these are the description. That's a display. Has like a cellar. These are 3+1 gas cooker, electric oven. Very nice, very steep, very nice. The very strong one. You're welcome. That is a free view. Remember, the DSM model is a massive. Stainless steel. Sorry. Doesn't corrode. Unlike the one is a colored one. There is the electric bed. The gas. Some of the gas plate. We have to. All this is for counter. For the Mika, it's a good one because it has a jet gas. So jet emission of the gas. So you can set empty the gas and consume a lot of gas. For all the gas, for the three gas, we go now the oven where we were waiting for. Wale tunapenda kuku. So this one is you want to roast meat. This one is it. So you are even a beef soup, but a chicken. Here is it. Just open here. Make sure your chicken is and tighten already. So after placing the chicken there, make sure you make it very just so that it doesn't move when it's rotating inside there. So the importance of this is to hold the handle because this one is hot when you move the chicken inside. So you just use it here, then put the chicken inside it. So before you close the oven, make sure you move this one. This one will help you when you move the chicken inside. We have this tray. This one is an extra tray. So you put water here to avoid smoking and to avoid also prevent your chicken from